from Perfect Power. Warm welcome to our live streaming. This is Vinian.
Yeah, hello friends. Warmly welcome to Perfect Power Living Stream. This is Vinian. This is Nancy.
Yes, Vinian. Are you introduce the CUT-120D?
To our friends? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Hi friends. Now we'll introduce the heavy industrial one. Heavy industrial one to you. Our CUT-140. Yeah.
Okay.
For this cutting machine, it's cutting powerful. It's very strong.
The cutting powerful is very strong?
Yeah, it is mainly for the heavy industry. It can cut 40 thickness.
Okay.
Yeah.
40 thickness.
Yeah. So friends, if you need to cut thick one, so you can choose us this. You can choose us this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vinian, could you please introduce this machine, the main features?
Yeah, main feature. As you see, the main feature of this machine is here. It has the gas post flow and the gas pre-flow and the gas post flow.
Okay, I got it.
And also it has the 2T40 function.
Wow, also with 2T on
40, yeah,
40 function.
2T40 function. And it has the gas checking function. Gas checking function.
Okay.
And for this machine, it can work with CNC. As you see, the CNC connecting.
Wow, also can connect it with CNC?
Yeah, CNC connecting.
Wow.
This machine can work with CNC. So, friends, if you need to work with CNC, you can contact us. Our machine has the CNC connecting. It can work with the CNC for the automatic cutting.
Okay, sounds very good. Vinian, and what kind of material we can cut using this machine?
Yeah, for this machine, it can cut any metal like carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and even copper.
Wow.
Yeah. So friends, if you need to cut some metal, just contact us. For this machine, it's for the heavy industry, and the cutting powerful is very strong. Cutting power is strong.
Wow.
Cutting capacity.
Wow.
Yeah, is powerful.
Wow, the function is very powerful and sounds very professional machine.
Yeah.
Okay, but I also want to know what's the voltage of this machine?
This machine is for the heavy industrial one. It is three-phase. It's three-phase 380.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi friends. If you have different voltage requirements, like some friends maybe from South America, and you will have three-phase 220 and three-phase 440. You can also contact us. We also have this kind of machine for you, this kind of plasma cutting machine.
Yes, we have the full range of this cutting machine.
Yeah, full range for different cutting amperage and full range for different input voltage.
Okay, well, I have another question. What is the application of this machine?
Yeah, the main application for this kind of machine is for the heavy industry. Yeah,
heavy industry?
Yeah, like some building.
Some building construction?
Yeah, maintenance and repair. And for some ship building.
Ship building?
Yeah, bridge building.
Okay,
yeah,
wow.
Mainly for the heavy industry, because for this machine, its max cutting thickness can be 50 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Yeah.
Wow, fantastic.
Yeah. Friends, keep stay with us. Our engineer will show you later. It can cut 50 thickness.
Okay, let's see the engineer to show us the efficient.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, our engineer will show you it later.
Hi, Vinian. I also want to know what standard accessory with this machine.
Yeah, for the standard accessories we can see here. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the gas valve. Gas valve, the filter.
Okay, can you take it?
Yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Okay, I see. And what is this?
This is the grounding cable.
Okay, and this one?
Yeah, this one is the cutting torch. Wow,
Cutting torch.
it's very heavy. I think it's the full copper.
Okay.
The accessories. And you see?
Also come with these accessories.
Yeah.
I see.
As you see, friends, it is thicker, and the thickness of the diameter of this cable is 14 millimeter.
Okay, and
Very heavy.
yes, and may I know how's the length of this cable?
Yeah, the length of the cable is 5 meter.
5 meter.
Yeah.
Okay. If I want to have the more than 5 meter,
Yeah,
can we option?
Sure, we can do. So, friends, if you have another requirement, the length requirement of the cable, you can tell us. We can also fit it for you.
Okay. And William, I see this machine. What is this?
This is for the connection of the torch, cutting torch, and this is for the grounding cable.
Okay.
Grounding cable, the
Okay,
cutting torch. Yeah. Yeah. And friends, as you see, it is cut 120. And if you have another requirement, if you have the thicker, more than 50 requirement, like 60 or even thicker, you can just contact us. We have even higher one for you. We also have 160.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow. We also have the 160.
Yeah, 160. And also for 160, we have different input voltage.
Okay.
Different input voltage, like 3-phase 220. For the input 3-phase 220, the output cutting can also be 160.
Okay.
160, yeah.
Wow, sounds good.
Yeah. So, friends, as you see, for the cutting thickness, we have the cut 40,
40,
60,
60,
80,
80,
100,
100,
120,
120,
and 160.
160.
Also, we have 200.
Wow, 200.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
200. So, friends, if you have the air plasma cutting requirement, just contact us. We have the one with the built-in air compressor and without a built-in air compressor. We have the one with the traditional input voltage, like 3-phase 380. Also, we have the one with the special input voltage, like 3-phase 220. Right?
Yeah.
It is great. And for the output, we also have the full range from 40 to 200. I think it is. We have the full choice for you, right?
Yeah, right. William, finally, may I know, do you have any promotion just now?
Yeah, sure. Even for this heavy industrial machine, we also have the promotion in the living streaming time. And even for the heavy industrial machine, if you are interested, please contact us. We also have 10% discount for you. 10% discount. So, hi friends, if you are interested in the cutting machine, if you have any demand for the cutting machine, please contact us. We have the full range for you, full range for the output current, full range for the different cutting current and the different cutting thickness requirement.
Yes.
We also have the full range for the different input voltage. Yeah. I think it's enough for you, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.